Hello everyone. Today we are excited to present the campaign planning tool demo. Discover how this innovative solution can transform manufacturing operations by optimizing production schedules, reducing waste, and boosting overall efficiency. Let's begin by exploring the process flow. The Trinamix Pass solution seamlessly integrates with the demand planning systems to access forecasted sales data. The modular enables user to define key parameters such as demand lateness threshold, the number of allowed changeovers, and much more. The master data, including the bill of materials, available resources, and organizational structure, is imported from ERP systems. This information then is fed to the Trinamix Campaign Planning Optimizer, which works to maximize equipment utilization, reduce changeovers, and minimize demand lateness. The optimizer's output generates firm planned orders that feed directly into supply planning systems for execution. Now let's dive into the demo to see how it all comes together. We start with the optimization constraints screen, where you can configure the necessary parameters that the optimizer will use for optimizing the schedules. Next, on the demand screen, you can review forecasted orders brought in from demand planning. Here you will find all the essential details, such as item description, order quantities, and respective order and due dates. After reviewing the orders, once we click on Run Optimizer, which can also be scheduled as per customer requirement, the engine is triggered, and post its completion, the application provides the block schedule, where a detailed tabular output for each resource type can be looked at, showing the optimized schedule. We can additionally look at the pegging details, where with the help of dynamically linked tables, we can analyze how each demand is fulfilled by specific supplies or vice versa. Additionally, we can review the output via interactive visualizations, where the user can make amendments to the suggested output by either resizing the bar or shifting the campaign bar, enabling easy customization of the schedule. Moving to the summary tab, we can analyze the demand lateness. Here the graph shows a concentration in the middle, indicating that the majority of the orders are being fulfilled close to their scheduled dates. This highlights efficient planning and reduced delays in meeting customer demands. Next, in capacity consumption, this view provides a detailed breakdown of weekly resource usage, showcasing both productive time and the changeover durations. It helps in evaluating how effectively the available capacity is being utilized. Finally, the changeover analysis, we can keep a track of the total number of major and minor changeovers. By reducing the frequency of these changeovers, it can significantly enhance productivity and reduce downtime. In all, it provides you with a comprehensive understanding of operational efficiencies. This application streamlines campaign planning with powerful optimization capabilities, interactive visualizations, and actionable insights. It enables you to plan campaigns more effectively while seamlessly integrating with your existing solutions for a cohesive workflow.